Hello everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing no oil kimchi fried rice. We'll start by adding kimchi to our preheated wok. We preheated our wok 5 minutes before starting. Now we're going to add our pre-cooked rice. Quick tip, it's best if you use rice that you cooked the night before. We're going to give that a mix until the kimchi is evenly distributed. For a list of all the ingredients and the full recipe, please check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. There we are. The color is still a bit paler than we'd like, so we're just going to add some kimchi sauce and stir. It's looking pretty good so far. Now we're just going to add some gochujang paste and mix some more. This is going to really deepen the color and also provide a bit of a kick. Make sure it's evenly distributed. This is now ready. Now it's time to fry the egg with no oil. Comment below if you'd like to see some videos on how we can cook different types of eggs with no oil in Saladmaster. Now we're going to start serving. We'll start by putting our kimchi fried rice into a bowl. Look at that! Now our egg is ready. We like our eggs a bit runny, but you can cook it to your preference. We're just going to use the Saladmaster turner to get our egg and top our fried rice. We're just going to sprinkle on top some sesame seeds. If you'd like, you can add some chopped spring onion on top. And now it's ready to eat.